Chewie's inspecting the ship before they take off. Millennium Falcon.
Status on the cargo for the Falcon?
Well, I'm working as fast as I can, Malta, but I can't just... What? Where'd that come from?
Garth.
Hey, come here, buddy. How'd you get here? You should be wandering around a spaceport.
What the fuck is there? I don't know. Unfortunate, technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. I recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka. And this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together.
Filming.
Everyone else does, don't you?
Yeah, well, until they tell me to stop.
Welcome right this way, my friends. Come closer. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. I am coming.
Civilized Airlines. Por favor, permanezca sentado.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is, after that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent, now gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Oh my... Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
What was it?
Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep bashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have earned the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. Well, keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdal loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit.
Oh, we've done this
What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles?
Even exiting the ride is heavily themed. It's incredible.